Take a dose of it. If you guys don't have some ibuprofen 800 handy, just tell her to take some Midol. If you get 800 milligrams ibuprofen, go ahead and take some of that. But you don't have to take Midol. There.